Good afternoon, traders. It is Thursday, October 11th, 2018, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Hey, the Dow took another hit today, down 546 points. Yeah, we took some damage today, but I'm actually a little bit encouraged today. We came in with just two positions this morning, if you can believe it, on just those two positions with this big down move. We ended up dropping $12,000. That's the bad news. The good news is, even as the Dow kept dropping, we got into four new positions, three positive and only one negative, and we're actually holding positive over $6,000 in open trade equity. It's up about $8,000 in the aftermarket. Hopefully that'll hold. Anyway, I know it still doesn't sound like a good day, but it's been so long since we've had some decent trades. It feels like a good day to me. So I do believe that this huge drop we've seen in the Dow, it's going to it's getting to the bottom of it. And the thing is, when these big drops turn around, we can make a lot of money going back up. This is not the beginning of a bear market, I assure you. Anyway, let's take a look. I'll show you the good, the bad, and ugly. Let's start out with the ugly and get that out of the way. This is UGAZ, UGAZ, which is the natural gas bull. Natural gas almost always gaps in the morning, and sometimes that's good and sometimes that's bad. Yesterday we bought the gap up and it kept going against us all day, and then it gapped down really hard this morning, and that cost us $7,700. So that was that accounted for the majority of our losses on our exits this morning. We did get into some good trades today, however, and I'll show you a couple of those. This first one is ARQL. That's Arcul Incorporated, and we bought this. This is actually open lower, and as it's snapping up there, we bought it. It kept going. It did pull back some, but we still have $1,400 positive in Arcul Incorporated. And then finally, the big one today, this is JNUG, JNUG, which is gold mining. And it gapped up here. We bought those by those gaps, and it just kept going, really held up very nicely all day, and we are holding $5,500 in open trade profit in JNUG. So that looks really good. Hey, maybe the worm's going to turn here. Well, let's just hope so. This is Trader Bob signing off. I'll be back here tomorrow on Friday.